Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this granny stitch vignette. I use 7 millimeters hook and 7 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 I show I made 51 of these chains. We should make multiple of 3 chains. We make 51 chains in here. We have 50 centimeters of these chains. Measure these chains around your head. If you around your head is 60 centimeters, make 50 centimeters of these chains. You have your foundation chains worked, being careful not to twist the chains. Insert your hook into first chain. I show yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, a slip stitch. Make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to first chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I show, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Continue like this and make 1 double crochet in each stitch for first round. I made this stitch, we made 1 double crochet in each chain. We have 51 chains. We made 1 double crochet in each chain. In total we have 51 without these chains. Don't count first chains. Of these chains, insert your hook, pull up yarn, a slip stitch. Make 2 chains, yarn over, insert insert your hook around first double crochet. I show yarn over, insert your hook, take this stitch, first stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make front post double crochet, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet stitches around these stitches, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, pull through, take stitches on your hook and continue to make double crochet stitches around this stitch. I show. Now we have one front post double crochet in each stitch. Make front post double crochet in each stitch for this round and continue. Make front post double crochet in each stitch, go to top of first chains, slip stitch and continue same as before row. Make front post double crochet in each stitch. I made this stitch, slip stitch, make two chains, make front post double crochet in each stitch. I made this rows, go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make one double crochet in this hole, two double crochet. Now we have 1 2 3 stitches in here. Skip 2 stitch, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, go to next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, go to next stitch, one double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to next stitch, one, two, three, and continue like this for this round. I made this stitch until here. In here, skip 1 2 stitch, go to this stitch, make a last cluster in this row, 1 2 3 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, In here, continue like this. Insert your hook into top of these chains, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make a chain, yarn over, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, make one cluster. I show. Skip this stitch, go to this stitch, make 3 double crochet, continue, skip 3 stitches and repeat. Skip 3 stitches, I made this row, continue like this, go to last stitch, make one cluster, go to top of first chains, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make a chain, grab yarn, yarn over, 1, 2 double crochet. We make 2 double crochet with these chains. We have 3 stitches in first clusters and continue, make like this rows, continue and make more rows. I made these rows, go to first chains, slip a stitch, I show we have 50 centimeter in here. This is suitable for 59, 60, 61. Measure these chains around your head. In here we have 25 centimeter. You can make more rows in here. Join this side together